how to use to WhatsApp in Samsung Mobile. Well, not a Samsung feature, but WhatsApp itself came out with a feature where you can use two WhatsApp account on the same WhatsApp. So what you have to do is open up WhatsApp. This is one of my current WhatsApp account, and if I want to add another account, whether it is a Samsung phone or not doesn't matter, you'll find this on any Android device. So tap the three dots option from there, then simply go to settings, then go to account, and right here you'll find the option that says add account. So basically what you can do is you can just tap on the add account and you will be able to add another secondary account. Now if you don't find this option just sometimes, then your Samsung phone also has a feature to clone apps, and in order to do this, open up settings, go to advanced features, then go to dual messenger. Then here you can simply turn on WhatsApp, and it will install the second copy of WhatsApp. So you can just click the install button to install the second copy of WhatsApp. So these are the two ways on Samsung phone where you can use two WhatsApp in one Samsung. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.